Hey guys, today we'll design this stunning product packaging design and also create this product image using its 3D model. So let's begin. Go to Google, search Pacdora. Open the first website. Click on mockups. Open cans. Select juice can. We'll use this can mockup for our design. Click on upload. This is the dimension we need to use for the label. Now go to Google, search Canva. Open the Canva website. Click on custom size. Change units to millimeters. Now put the dimensions and click on create new design. We'll design our label in this canvas. Go to File, then Settings. Click on Add Guides. Take 3x3 grid. Select the background and change its color. Go to Elements and add a square shape. Place it on top. Change its color. Now search Simple Cloud Shape. Go to Graphics section. Add this cloud. Change its color to match with rectangle. Now, adjust its size and position. Duplicate and place more. Go to Elements. Add this cloud. Choose the dark color. Now, place it on top. Duplicate and add more. After this, go to Elements and search Blackberry with leaves. Go to Photos. Add this image. Place it on this position. Next, search Blackberry. Go to Photos. Add this image. Place it in different positions. After this, search Blackberry leaves. Go to Photos. Add this image. Click on Edit. Then Magic Grab. Choose Brush. Now, brush over this leaf and click on Grab. Canva automatically cuts it out using AI. Delete the remaining. Now go to Edit again, open Filters. Apply Aria filter effect. Adjust its position. Duplicate and place it in different positions. Now search Water Splash. Go to Graphics. Add this splash. Adjust its position. Go to Position, then Layers. Drag and place it below the Blackberry image. Click on Edit, then do a tone. Select Classic. Now go to Text and add a heading. Type B. Go to Font, Search Allura. Choose this font. Change font size to 85 pixels. Choose this dark color. Duplicate and type remaining text. Change font size to 45. Duplicate and do the same. Now, adjust all of this wording. Group them. Add a subheading. Type your text. Search glacial indifference. Choose bold font. Change its size to 8 pixels. Choose the light color. Make it uppercase and left alignment. Duplicate and add more text. For this text, change size to 7. Remove uppercase. Choose glacial indifference regular font. In this way, add all your product's text. After this, go to Elements. Search Bottle Recycling symbol. Go to Graphics section. We'll add this one. Choose this light color. Adjust its size and position. Next, search Barcode. We'll add this one. You can add your own. Our design is ready. Now download it in PNG format. Return to the Pacdora page, click on Upload. Add your product label image. Click on Save. In this way, you can create a 3D product image using Pacdora. You can try it for free using the given link in the description. Click on Edit, then Custom Material. We'll choose this glossy type. Next, go to Background. Select Transparent. Click on Super Export. Adjust its position. Click on Render and Export to download your image. After this, go back to Canva. Click on Custom Size. Take 1080 by 1350 pixels canvas. Go to Upload. Click on Upload Files. Upload your product image. Add it to Canvas. Go to Elements and search 3D Violet Heart. Go to Graphics. Add this one. Adjust its size and position like us. Select the product. Bring it to front. Adjust its size and position. Now change the background color to dark. Go to Elements and search Water Splash. Go to Graphics section. Add this one. Click on Edit, then do a tone. Choose Classic Effect. Adjust its position. Go to Layer. Place it behind the product image. Duplicate and overlap one. Then crop it like us to create composition effect. Next, go to Elements and search Falling Blackberry. Go to Photos. Add this image. Adjust its position. Search BlackBerry. Add this image. Place it in different positions. Similarly, add more. After this, search Ice Cube. Go to Graphics. Add this image. Now, crop and place it in different positions. Go to Elements and search Water Splash. Go to Graphics section. Add this element. Click on Edit, then do a tone. Apply Classic Effect. Adjust its position. Now search Drop Shadow. Go to Graphics, add this shadow. Adjust its size and position. Duplicate the product image, rotate and place it at the bottom of the product image. Go to Position, then Layers. Move it below the shadow. Reduce its transparency to 20. Go to Elements and search Black Shadow. Go to Graphics. Add this shadow. Place it below this BlackBerry. Reduce its transparency to 80%. Duplicate and add it to all of these images. Next, add this shadow. Flip it vertical. Place it at the bottom of the canvas. Search White Circular Shadow. Add this shadow. Adjust its size and position. Go to position, then send it to back. Our product image is ready. Let's zoom in. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.